Good evening, everyone. So before discussing about our project, let me tell you the problem statement that we are solving. So our project is Ingress iKeyboard. So you might have seen this, and you might have also seen this. So due to the COVID-19, everything has become online, and all companies are also conducting their tests through online by just monitoring using some softwares. But some of these softwares use AI to capture the images and send it to the backend. So the problem is there is high computation that is going on, and also the problem that we are targeting now is to prevent cheating during this online examination by just detecting the eyeball location and movement. So let's get started. So our web application uses binary search algorithm which detects our position of eye. Based on that algorithm, like wherever the eye moves, we divide the whole positions into half, and we move forward to get the position where the eye is present. So the technology that we are using is for front end. We used HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap, and we used React. And for backend to take the image and do the computation, we took TensorFlow JS, and we used machine learning. So the working is simple. Whenever a person sees towards right side, his eye position is shown as an alphabet in the online keyboard that is present. So let us see the description. So the other softwares that we are discussing uses high-end AI to do that, which is of course very costly. So to read, and also some softwares use manual checking, like they do manual checking after examination whether the student copied or not, which is also tedious task. So to automate that and also to reduce the task, instead of sending the data that we are capturing in the images to the backend and doing processing where multiple students data is passed, we thought of using that image, that functionality in the front end itself by taking the image and doing that. So that is our aim, so that there will be no problems like server down, or and user who is taking the exam, and also the examiners will have smooth experience. So yeah, let me show you our demonstration.
As and when the distance that we are moving our eyes from center increases, our search space in binary search decreases and we get less letters on the keyboard. When we are looking straight, we get all the letters.